Hey there and welcome to this quick demo video. Now first I'm going to walk you through the dashboard and then I'm going to show you just how quick you can create your own promotional videos, okay? So along the top here's our navigation where you have your expected settings like open, save, things like that. Now I want to talk about the canvas real quick. So when you download the software, it comes with 100 different templates that you can use. And right now I have selected one of the templates that are included. Now down here along the bottom, I'm going to click through here and each one of these is an individual scene that we can edit, okay? Now when I click on one of these scenes, like this one for example, you're going to notice that we have this little scrubber on the scene itself. So I can take this and I can kind of scrub through here to see exactly what this scene looks like, okay? So we can see exactly how that plays out. And now you're also going to notice for each individual scene, we have these little circles on the canvas. And you'll see them listed on the left-hand side as well. These are the different layers, and these are the things that we can edit within the scene, okay? So for example, this text here says, high converting niches and the right offers. So I can click on text and easily come in here and change the word high to whatever I want it to be and adjust that font here. Same thing for the images and same thing for every single scene. We can scrub through it and then click to change whatever it is that we want to change. If you want to see a preview of that scene and hear the audio with it, all you have to do is click on this button over here where it says Show Scene Preview.
You also need a system that draws traffic to your offers,
and you'll see exactly what that looks like, okay? Now, sometimes the scenes have a bunch of different layers, like you can see here, and sometimes they have just one layer, as you can see here. Just beneath that, we have the ability to create videos from these individual scenes, add additional backgrounds, images, and we can actually remove an entire scene from the video and change the paper background itself by selecting an image here. Now let's go through here and see how quickly I can edit and export this video and have it ready to promote my business online. Now since this is an affiliate marketing video and my product is related to affiliate marketing, the majority of this I can keep just like it is. But of course, I can change anything that I want to change. So I'm going to quickly scrub through here and see what information I need to edit to match my business. So on this one here, we need to add my image. So we're going to add from my local storage and select my sample logo. We're not going to sketch that. We're going to click on add.
This is precisely what you will learn with this amazing new product.
Okay, looks pretty good. Going to the next one here. And we got to add our logo here as well. Alrighty, and if I'm satisfied with everything in here, we can go to create video down here at the bottom or create video at the top. Choose where we would like to export this video. Choose our video size. I'll do 1280 HD. Perfect video quality. The export speed, I'm going to do the fastest. We can choose to export this for an online presenter or export it with a watermark. I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Export. Go ahead and save that. And here at the bottom, we can see that it's now exporting, and that should be ready here in just a few minutes. All right, and once that video is exported, I can go ahead and bring that up, and we can see exactly what this looks like.
Are you a frustrated affiliate marketer who is ready to give up? Do you feel that no matter what course you buy or whatever action you take, you are unable to achieve success? To be successful with affiliate marketing, you not only need high-converting niches and the right offers, you also need a system that draws traffic to your offers, converts it into hot leads, increases sales, and helps you gain loyalty. And this is precisely what you will learn with this amazing new product. We'll show you everything you need to know to draw traffic, convert them to leads, and gain the loyalty of visitors. This guide is so simple that it takes no time to get started, and you can start seeing results immediately. So if you want to fulfill your dreams of staying at home and earning money beyond your wildest dreams through affiliate marketing, click down below to get started today.
As you can see, it had our logo in there and all the information that we edited, all right? And that there is just how simple it is and how quickly you can upload these templates and create promotional videos for your business.